Good morning to all of you. Today, I'm going to start with chapter 17 of Unit 5 Digital Presentation. Last class, in the last video, we learned how to create a presentation, what are the components. Today, I'm going to start with chapter 7. Here, the first topic is how to duplicate a slide. Duplicate means I have already created this slide and I want a copy of it. So, what you can do, simply select the slide, right click on it, and from the shortcut menu, choose the option Duplicate Slide. You will see in the slide pane that the same type of slide has been created. This is known as duplicating the slide. Or else you can also do one thing. You can choose the option the slide menu, and from there also it can be created. Like from here also you will get the option of duplicate the selected slides. It's not that only one slide has to be selected. Suppose I want to duplicate both the slides. In that case, press Shift key and then choose both the slides. And once both the slides are selected, you can go to Home tab under Slides group, choose the option Duplicate the selected slides. So those number of slides which you had selected will all be duplicated. Next is inserting a new slide. Many ways are there. First, let me tell you the shortcut key. If you want to insert a new slide, you can choose the shortcut key Ctrl plus M. A new slide will get inserted. Remember, the first slide which you create will be a title slide, and the second slide which you will create, it will keep on adding as the layout, title and content layout. Another way, you can go to Home tab and you can choose new slide, or else you can right click in any of the slide on the slide pane, and from there also you can choose new slide. Next is modifying the slide layout. Already told, layout means the arrangement of text objects on a slide. Here you can see it will contain one title and rest of the things can be a table, a chart, any type of smart shape or any picture, video, whatever you want to insert. I want here two content areas where two tables or two charts can be inserted. So I will have to change the layout. How it can be done? Simply right click on the slide whose layout you want to change and choose the option layout. From the given options, you can choose any. As I told, I want two content. So I'll click on two content and the slide will show me that layout which I have selected. Next is, one more thing, in which views this layout can be changed. This is the normal view in which I am working, and the same thing can be done in slide sorter view also. How? Just go to View tab, choose Slide Sorter View, and right click on the slide whose layout you want to change. Layout option will appear. Wait a minute, it's not showing in this one. Um, yeah, you will get the layout button. Wait a minute, it was here only. Home tab, and here you will get the layout. Yeah, you can change the layout from here. Once you will go to slide sorter view, you will click on Home tab and then you will choose the layout which you want. Like this one I want to change layout, and choose the layout which you want to change. Now the layout has been changed. You can go to normal view by clicking on view and then choose normal view. You will get that two content. I had changed this one, that's why it is visible here. Next is moving, copying and deleting the slides. These things can be done again in normal view as well as in the slide sorter view. So the shortcut keys can be used, or the Home tab clipboard group can be used. How? Like this slide I want to copy and paste, select it, go to clipboard group and then copy it. The double folder icon, you can see this is for copy. Select it and choose the option copy. Wherever you want to paste, like here, you can go to that part and you will choose the option paste. You will see the slide pasted there. Or else you can use the shortcut key Control C, and for pasting Control V. The means if somebody asks you what is the step of copying, you can give any of the methods. Okay, so copy and pasting. Another one is moving the slides. I want this slide to be here, so this is the normal view. In the slide pane, whatever slide you want to move to any location, just drag it by holding down the left mouse button and go to that place. The sequence will change. or else you can go to slide sorter view, and in that view also the sequence can be changed easily. So this is moving the slides. Next is deleting the slides. Any slide which you want to delete, again in both the views, whether it is normal view or your slide sorter view, in both the ways it can be done. Simply select it and press delete key from the keyboard, it will get deleted. Next is moving, copying and deleting the content. You all know this. Let me change the view first here. I want to copy this. Select it, right click, copy, select, right click. The option is coming wrong one. Here, either you use copy option, wherever you want to paste, keep the cursor there and then paste it. Like here I want, so I'll right click and then paste. It will come. Okay, so same way you can move, delete, which you all know. Controlling the size of the view, you know that this is the on the status bar towards the right hand side, you can see a zoom slider pane is there. So if you want the slide to be a bigger one, simply drag it and you will see that the size will increase, and I want to decrease, then you can decrease it the same way. Then workspace views, already told, if you go to view tab you can see all the views of the presentation view. We have 1 2 3 4 5. Other than this, one more is there, slideshow, which you all know what is the purpose. Normal view is the view in which we work. Outline view, which shows you the contents. Let me click on this. You can see this is the outline view, only the headings and all will be shown. Okay, I want slide sorter where the thumbnails of all the slides will be shown. Notes page, if you have added some, like while presentation I want some content to be added which will be visible to me only, and which it will help me to read out the contents on the slides, so I can add something here for my assistance when the presentation will be going on. Next is reading view. If you want to see the slide on a big screen, so you can click on that and the contents can be read easily. So these are the different views of the slides which can be used, and usually we work in normal view, just remember that part. So these are the different views which I have already told. Next is how you can see the slideshow. For viewing the slideshow, let me see the timing here. Yeah, for viewing the slideshow, one way is you go for the shortcut key control plus F5, sorry, only F5. You just press F5 and the slide, click on the slide from where you want to start with. So now just press F5 shortcut key and the slideshow will start. This is one method. Another one, you just go to slideshow menu and there you can see many options from beginning, like from the first slide. But if you want that, I have selected fourth slide and I want the presentation to start from there, then you can choose from current slide. Means the slide which I have selected, from there you want to start with, then you will have to choose this option. And if you want to use a shortcut key so that the presentation will start from the current slide, then the shortcut key is shift plus F5. Another way, on the status bar different views are there and you can see the slideshow icon there. One more way is there, from the quick access toolbar, there also you can see the slideshow option. So all these can be used. Another thing, how to format the text. The way you formatted the text in word processors, here also it can be done. Like if you want to increase the size, just go to home tab. In the font group, all the formatting options are available. I want to make it bold, italic, underline, I want to increase its size. So the same way as you did for other softwares, here also the same thing will be used. Alignments can be used. Here right now it is aligned in the center. I want it towards left hand side, right hand side. All these things can be done. If you want bullets and numbering to be set there, you can choose any of the numbering or bullet style. It will start appearing. The moment you will press enter, the second bullet numbering will appear there. So this is chapter 17 which got over. So now I'm going to start with chapter 18. In this chapter we'll learn how to insert a table and after that how to format it. Obviously for inserting a table we need to change the layout. Right click on the slide and choose the option layout, and then choose that option where the table can be inserted easily. This is the layout. So here just delete this part and you can see the table icon. Either you use this, so if I'll click here, it will ask you the number of rows and columns it will get inserted. Here, another way can also be used. What is that? Simply go to Insert menu and then from there choose option Table. Use a grid to insert table as we did in a word processor, or you choose the option Insert Table. You can also draw a table. The moment you will click on Draw Table, one pencil icon will be there which can be used for drawing the table. And you can also import the Excel spreadsheet here inside the area of your PowerPoint presentation. So these are the ways. Let's click on this option, choose the number of rows and columns. The table will get inserted there. As you can see, the table is there. You will see that the moment you will insert a table, two tabs will be added. One is table design and another one is layout. The same thing happened with word processor also. When you insert it, two tabs always appear which will help you to design and change the layout of the table. The very important question. Now, how to enter data in a table? Keep the cursor in the cell where you want to write the data. Like here I want to write roll number, so I'll type here by clicking here, just write roll number, and for going to the next cell we'll press tab key, and for moving backward shift plus tab key. So this way you can move inside the table for entering the data. If you want to select the entire column, you click on top, this arrow will appear, entire row column will get selected. Same way if you want to select the entire row, this way the entire row will get selected. Now if you want to insert a new row or column, here suppose roll number 1 is there, here 2 is there, and in between I want to insert a new row. What should I do? Simply you right click there and then choose the option insert. You will get it here. If you are not getting, no issues, go to the layout tab and here you will get insert rows above, the way it was available in your word processor. What do you want? If you are talking